Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm gonna show you something really cool, like my new longboard trainer made of wood. I'm gonna explain you today what the features are, and as you know, Surf Companions is all about improving your surfing. How can a trainer like this improve your longboarding skills? Yes, you can do some takeoffs on as well, but especially for longboarding, it's beautiful. Let me show you. As you can see, it's only made out of wood, and on both ends you have straps. And the cool thing about this longboard trainer is that it's a bit shaky. So it means like you can train your balance. What you have to know as an improving longboarder and surfer, that if you train on a balance trainer like this, it is more difficult than it is actually in the water. That's why you call it a trainer, because first you learn something, then you practice something, and then you train something, because training is more difficult than actually doing it in the water, which helps you to improve your longboarding. So the cool thing about this one is here that you can actually do the, let's see it, I'll show you how difficult you want to have it. For example, you can choose between the outside ones. So here on the outside you can choose to put it totally from both sides outside, or you choose to put it more in the middle, which is around here. The more you go into the middle, you see it already, the more flexible it will become. So the cool thing about this trainer is you can change the skill set or how difficult you want to have it. But it's more important what you can do on it. This is what I'm going to show you now. Woo! Let's jump right on the longboard trainer. Before you train on the longboard trainer, the best advice I can give you is first you have to know how to do a cross step. So every time you learn something new, you should do it on land beforehand. So for example, if you want to learn a cross step, by the way, I'm going to make a whole video, next video, about the cross step itself, how you should do a cross step, what's the most efficient way. You first have to learn it on the ground and then use a longboard trainer. And as you can see, it's a bit more flexible. So every time, especially it's your first time, be careful around you. So of course I'm more experienced, I used to work and train with this thing, but if you want to feel more safe, put pillows around it and so. But the cool thing about it is, you see obviously it's not as long as your longboard, your 9/0 longboard. It's a little bit shorter, but you can imagine the length, for example, okay, this is the 2/3 of your longboard, this is where you start. And then you have space for 2 cross steps. Usually when you're standing in your, we call it a sweet spot in the back, then you need 2 cross steps to be at the nose. So for example, you do 1, whoop, you do 2, and then you're at the nose. Woo! Hang 5, this is what you call a hang 5. Or you can do even a train, a hang 10. Woo! Step back, 1, 2, 1, 2. You see already it's a little bit shaky. If you're new to this, please, safety first. I don't tell you to wear a helmet, but if you want to feel yourself safer, wear a helmet. Everything which helps you. Put some pillows next to it. But the cool thing is here, you can train all the techniques you need in longboarding. I can even train the drop knee, the drop knee bottom turn. For example, when I do my first cross step here, whoop, or after my takeoff, look at my back leg, I can go back, put pressure a little bit more on the left, and you see when I turn left, that whole board is turning to the left. Whoa! First cross step, I'm here. Or backwards here, and I'm turning to the right. Woo, turning to the right, and first one to the front, one more forward, woo, and it looks stylish. So the cool thing about this board is you train your muscle memory. Imagine you train an hour on this, then you go into the water. Trust me, your cross-stepping will feel way more easier. And this is the main purpose. This is what we call a trainer. And the cool thing is, this trainer will be with us in our longboard retreats, our 10-day longboard retreats, end of September this year. All the infos on the link below. So this one, we're gonna train you because, yeah, first you have to know, and then you have to practice it, and then you have to train it. So I hope that video was helpful. Let me know in the comments below what you want to know more about this longboard trainer. By the way, if you want to have an own one, I'm not selling you one, I just want to give you a really good advice, because this is what I did. A good carpenter, go to your local carpenter, can build it for you. And the cool thing is you can leave it in your garden, you can train on it and so on. So if you want to have your own one, support your local carpenter. He can easily build something like this for you. Smash the like button, comment down below if it was helpful. By the way, 2025 we're going to release the Longboard Companion, but right now we obviously have the 2 books, Beginner Surf Companions and Intermediate Surf Companions. Links are down below. Improve your surfing. Can't wait to see you in the next video.